I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make easy apple pie at home. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 6 medium apples, 2 store-bought pie crusts for simplicity, and common spices like cinnamon and nutmeg. A good tip is to use a blend of sweet and tart apples, like Honeycrisp and Granny Smith, for a balanced flavor. Also, make sure your butter is very cold if you're making your own crust, or just ready to go if using pre-made. This preparation sets the stage for a delicious dessert. Now, let's prepare the delicious filling. Begin by peeling, coring, and slicing your apples into uniform 1/4 inch pieces. Consistency here helps them cook evenly. In a large bowl, gently toss the sliced apples with about 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and your chosen spices like cinnamon and a pinch of nutmeg. A tablespoon of fresh lemon juice is also a great addition. It prevents browning and brightens the overall flavor of your pie. With your filling ready, it's time to assemble the pie. Carefully unroll one of your pie crusts and gently place it into a 9-inch pie plate, pressing it firmly against the bottom and sides. Next, pour the apple mixture evenly into the bottom crust, mounding it slightly in the center. Finally, place the second pie crust over the filling. Trim any excess dough, then crimp the edges to seal and cut a few small slits on top to allow steam to escape during baking. Now for the best part, baking. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the pie for 15 minutes at this temperature, then reduce the heat to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 45 to 55 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbling. Let it cool completely before slicing to allow the filling to set properly. And hey, if you're looking for ways to make meal prep easier, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade apple pie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.